Today we are exploring a classic Wolseley graveyard. Look at this tree growing up between the door and the car's body. Look at this old battery we've just found. The door has fallen clean off of this car. Look at this tree growing up through the centre of the windscreen. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very cold morning here in the UK.
Very cold morning.
Very cold morning, yeah. It's the first cold morning that I've actually been out exploring this year, so I wasn't prepared for it at all. So today, as you can see, I'm joined with my brother Stokesy and we have come to explore a collection of classic cars. Let's go and check them out and see what we can find. Okay, so our journey starts through this field. We've got roughly about a 5 or 10 minute walk in this direction, but today we've got some classic Wolseleys. Is it Wolseleys?
Wolseleys, I think.
Yeah, which have been parked up here for quite a few years. And we should obviously find some nice little classics here, so let's go and have a look. Okay, so we've just arrived at the cars. Wow, look at those. God, all the trees growing up between them. Wow. How many years do you reckon these have been parked here for?
70 years, if not more, if you think about it. 1950s, and then 20 years, 2020, 50, 60, 70 years.
Do you know what, there's actually quite a few here, isn't there?
Yeah, they go right back there. When I came there, it was summertime, so it was all overgrown.
Oh, okay.
Now, literally, you
You can see everything now, yeah.
I mean, I know in here it's got loads of the radiators and things.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
So they're really rare parts on
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, easy. But very cool.
They are very cool. Have a little look in this one first. Wow, look at that. It's just full of spares. That is so cool. It's a shame that they've been left here like this, you know. If somebody knows that they're not going to get around to doing it, then, you know, let someone else enjoy them. You know, I see too many of these cars ending up like this, and it is really sad. But this one hasn't actually got an engine in it.
It's literally like, it's just...
Oh, this one hasn't got one either, has it? No.
Engine. No.
Yeah, both of these are missing their
The
engines.
transmission's there. I love this
Yeah.
emblem.
I know, it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at all the leaves in that inside there. Wow.
I mean, definitely parts cars.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Look at that old battery.
Oh, wow, look at that. God.
I love this interior.
Do you know, my hands are absolutely
My feet are
freezing.
The majority of them,
Wow.
the engines are missing. Got the transmission still.
Yeah.
There's less in that one.
God. As Stu said, the last time we came here, these were all overgrown, weren't they? So it would have been quite difficult to see them.
Like the ones over here, they go right back there, do.
Oh God, yeah, look at that. Wow.
I love the whole registrations too. They've all got their.
Yeah, they're cool, aren't they? Yeah, really cool. Oh, look at this tree that's grown up next to this one. That definitely wasn't there when they parked that car. Oh, none of these were.
Definitely like.
I mean, that one there, look, that one there has grown up with the door open, and you can't actually close that door now.
Not if you want, not even if you wanted to.
And that just goes to show, you know, how long these cars have been here. It's absolutely amazing. See the old grille. That's pretty cool.
I've never actually used one of these. I love about these cars. This is where I learned about the trafficator.
Yeah, yeah.
Every single one of them's got trafficators.
Yeah, they have, haven't they? Yeah. Yeah, Stu just said that all of these cars have actually got trafficators, which are these little things here. Obviously, these are before indicators were invented. So when you flick the indicator on this side, this would come up and tell the person behind or in front which way you were turning. Oh. It's quite a cool number plate, that, actually. They just look so cool just parked here like this. NAB 433. So I was saying to Stu earlier that this one here, this car was parked with the door open, and this tree has actually grown between the door and the car. I mean, just look how tall that tree is now. It's just ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. But it's fascinating at the same time, you know. And this is what I like about this, like how nature just takes over. It's just amazing. Let's have a little look inside this one here. I have to be careful because I think the door's ready to fall off.
This is this click. Oh, that sounds still perfect.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
And the old horn.
Looks like they had red leather seats in this one. A two-tone, grey sides and red centres I think they had on that. Has this one still got an engine? Nope, that engine's been taken out too. So maybe this was like a Wolseley scrapyard of sorts. God, look at these ones here. Oh, these have been here for years. Years upon years. And look how overgrown this is. You can barely see inside this one. Look at that. I don't actually think I can get the camera in there properly. I might have to twist it off to the side. Oh. There we go. You guys can get a little peek inside this one. Cool. It stinks in there, I'm not going to lie. It's so cool though. Ah, that is super cool, that one. This one here, I mean, you can barely recognise it. Look at it. The tree's fallen on top of it, completely crushed the roof down on it. It's such a shame, it really is. Get a little bit closer and have a little peek. God, look, the car is actually sinking into the ground. Is there another one under there? I'm pretty sure there's another one under there as well. Yeah, there is. You can just about see it. Crikey. And there's one there too, look. What's left of it. I've got no idea what car that was. This one's pretty cool. The Wildlife Trust. do you know what? From certain angles, you can't really even see these cars, can you? Like if I put the camera kind of like there, you wouldn't really know there was a car there.
No, that's just
It's only when you, yeah, it's crazy, absolutely crazy. Oh. Now we've got another one here. And again, this car has just completely been reclaimed by nature. Doesn't look as if it's got an engine on either. No, do you know what? I don't think any of these cars have got engines in.
No. That one might have.
Shall we have a look? Yes, it has. This one still has its engine. But not a lot of the others have. Okay, so we've got a couple over here which we haven't seen yet. There's two there, one there, and then there's another one over there, so we'll go and check those out next. Do you know what? I cannot believe how cold it is today. There's a little birdhouse there, look. It's random. My goodness, look at that. Absolutely just gone. Wow, you can't even look inside that one. It's such a shame. Trafficator's been taken off of that one. Do you know, the more and more I look at these cars, it does give me the feeling that this was a breaker's yard of some sort. And obviously the demand for these cars just disappeared, and what you see now is what was left over. Maybe the owner sadly passed away, and you know, the relatives that were left just didn't have the interest to do anything with them. Maybe there was a sentimental connection, they didn't want to let them go. You know, and they're just happy to watch the cars disappear into the ground. You know, that happens a lot, it does. Right, I want to try, if I can. There we go. It's nasty brambles. Oh God, yeah, there is a car there too, look at that. My God. And look at that. The battery is hanging on for dear life there.
Yeah, because all this was over
God.
the summer.
Yeah, I suppose you wouldn't have seen much of this, would you? Yeah.
Oh, wow, for that. That's pretty cool. See, look, you come back a second time, you see more things.
Yeah.
There's a bumper sticker, a car sticker in there that said, "What do you call junk? I paid 50 quid for this."
Oh, really?
One of the cars. It's pretty cool.
Oh, look at this one here, look. The door has fallen clean off of this car. Oh, my God, look inside this one here. It actually looks as if it's been in an accident. The roof is touching the seats in the back.
Oh wow. This looks like it's been...
Oh, there's a bird nest there as well, look.
That's cool.
You see it?
Yeah. So this is a different perspective of a vehicle.
Yeah. I just said it looks like it's been in an accident, doesn't it?
Yeah, that tree's come down and just flattened it.
Literally squashed it down to nothing.
God, look at the crow. I mean, this is stainless steel.
Yeah.
It's all still in good nick, that is. Is the window open?
You can imagine.
Wow.
Incredible, isn't it?
Witnessing the death of a vehicle.
Wow,
Very
yeah.
slow death.
Yeah.
That tyre's still old, isn't it?
I don't think it is. I thought it was, but... Oh.
Wow.
Is there another car in there too?
Is there?
I don't know. It's so difficult to see. I can see bits of cars. I can't quite tell if there is.
Visit, isn't it? Look at that rear view mirror.
Yeah,
Still
yeah.
hoping to see the reflection of the driver.
It looks as if this one was actually parked on bricks. Maybe it didn't have any wheel. Well, there's no wheel there. You can see there's no wheel there.
Wow, that's a really cool little rear view mirror. Really
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
It's really quaint.
Yeah.
Kind of like
Right.
Splinters everywhere.
Let's press on.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're just going to run around and do our pictures quickly, do a few stories, and then I think we're pretty much done here. Pretty cool little place though. Shame that I've got to leave them here for the rest of their lives. Right guys, it is time to make a move. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. Please go and check out the Instagram, which is TheBeardedExplorerYT. Also go and check out the Facebook page. Like always, I put all the pictures on Facebook. 10 of the best to Instagram, and I will link my brother Stokesy in the description below. And we will see you on the next explore scene. Cool though. Ooh. Oh dear. Had a funny 5 minutes with the gimbal then. Yeah, Stu's just said every single one of these cars have got trafficators on them. I don't know if I can pull that one up. Oh, that was broken. Should have filmed that. Got me leg caught.
My feet are like fucking sponges, bro.
Oh, it ain't good. So, just when you think it's all over, no, it's not.
It's chairs.
It's chairs. What the fuck?
It's a random sitting spot.
It's definitely not a fucking car.
No.